Third finger, second one behind it for leverage. First finger hits the top 2 strings on the 12th fret. Do it again, but this time 14G. 14D to 14G. To D, G, 12, D14, and B and G on the 12. So far. B and G 14. Pull down and back, and then down to the 12th fret. And so 14D. Did that twice. Now the next one's similar, but we don't resolve to 14D. It just resolves to the 12th fret. And now, which is 15, bend a half step on the high E down to 12. 15B, high E and B 12. 14G, B and G 12. 14A. 15 high E, bend it a full step, then down to 12. 15 to 12 on the B. G14. Back and forth, down just a step. Then B and G. Wait. Yeah. Now. Oh yeah, that's what we were doing. 15 down to 12, bend the 15. 15 to 12. Back and forth on the G. Same deal there. Now, second finger slides up to 13G. First finger clips the top 2 on 12th fret. 15B, high E 12 and B 12. 14G, B and G 12. 12D, B and G, 12th fret, pull. To 14D, A. That's the full 12 bars. And next week,